G'day, I'm Grant from Motion, and with me today is Sean from Timken. Welcome, Sean.
G'day, Grant.
So I see we've got the Timken solid block here, and I can tell you now, I'm a big fan of it. I've been selling these for a long, long time. The thing I love about the Timken solid block is it lasts and it works.
It does. It's a fantastic product. We've got a lot of followers using this now, and the beauty of it is in this unit here, it's a pedestal unit, interchanges with your traditional split cap type units. It's cast steel, not cast iron. You won't break cast steel.
And the other benefit and the feedback that I get from my customers when I have sold it, and it is a problem solver, it's a solution, and invariably it's the ugly places that we've had success with, is it's unitized. You know, it doesn't require someone else with a skill set really to fit it. It's factory set, virtually ready to go.
It's nice and simple. The beauty of it too is you can fit it anywhere you like. Customers fit traditional bearings, they can be out in the open, so before the bearing goes into service it's full of dirt and contamination. This one, because it's unitized, the seals are fitted, everything's done, nothing will get in there. So you're giving the bearing the best chance to get proper life.
So Sean, let's talk about the sealing options we've got here.
Fantastic range of seals, Grant, and we can build them to suit. So we can offer you Teflon type seals for high speed applications in combination with a different type of locking mechanism.
Sure.
We can offer triple lip polyurethane for high ingress areas, high contamination areas. Add to that, we can add a cover, and customers love the covers. Bolt onto the front face of the unit, on either side you can full pack that cover with grease. It's another type of seal.
Perfect for a high impact environment.
Definitely.
And I see we've got some options again with the range of housing design.
We do, and the thing with the different options is it's different applications. So you can see these traditional take-up units can be used in different places. On the end of augers, we can offer you a 4-bolt flange, we can offer a 3-bolt circular flange, we can offer all types of different units for you.
So you like those real difficult areas where you know solid block's going to perform.
Exactly right, and that's what we say to customers, give us your worst application. Let's put it on trial, and where we've done that, once the customer sees how quick it is to fit, how easy it is to fit, and the life they get, they put them through the whole plan.
Yeah, I'm sold. You know, I love the solid block range from Timken. If you'd like to know more importantly how we can add value to your plant, reach out to your nearest Motion branch.